it by doing a group chat, and they find some place to do it, and they talk about it, and then they stay in one place like early morning, and then they will check online until they will get one quart, and then they will collect everything, and then one person organize, and she will be the one to give it to their master, and she's also the one who's paying them through the FPS. As far as I know, they are more than 10, and they're doing it for the money. They need money, that's why they know it's illegal, but they're doing it for their family in the Philippines. When I talked to one of them, this woman told me like she's been doing it like 1 to 2 years. Yes, and she's earning lots of money. Like just 1 week, she earned 1,000 plus. It depends how many courts she can book. The more she can book, the more money she can get. Because in one court, she can sell that one court to the coach for 400 Hong Kong dollars. And then if how many courts she can book, like for example, she booked like 2 courts, and then she can sell like $800. But she said that the coach is getting more money because his clients is paying lots of money, especially if it's a private, because private client pay 800, and then if you are a group of people, like 4 people, they pay 1,000 for 4 people.